Hello everyone. Well, we're well into October now, and that means it's Halloween season. And I just got my monthly subscription box from Micropuzzles, and it's probably Halloween themed, so I'm going to do a little unboxing. Let's see. This one says trick or treat, and this one has a cat in a witch hat. It's adorable. And there's a bag of Jelly Belly candy corn. I actually like candy corn. I'm going to save this for later. But let's do one of these now. Maybe trick or treat. That looks fun. So every month the box comes with 2 exclusive subscription puzzles and an extra treat. So that's a lot of fun to look forward to. These test tube puzzles are great because they are small and they fit anywhere. I love to bring them traveling. You gotta slip them into your bag. They don't take up a lot of room. They fit on an airplane tray table. They are fast enough to do while waiting for your flight if you get to the airport early. And here's the finished puzzle. As always, thank you for watching. Subscribe if you want to see the other puzzles I'll be working on. And until then, happy puzzling!